Are you not worried about that members of Machine March and people who are affiliated in Machine March are attacked?
Well, they are being attacked, but like we know, it's not a big deal. When we get attacked, it's only when foreign nationals get scratched that the whole world wants to give it labels like xenophobia. Currently, we don't have a label for what has been going on in the country because of foreign nationals in the country. Because it's not new, these attacks. We've been going through a lot of crime when it comes to people who are from outside of this country, many of whom remain unfound. Others just change their alias and they go ahead with life. So we are cognizant of the fact that it's a very dangerous territory that we're in. But I mean, keeping quiet is dangerous and speaking up is dangerous because being in South Africa is just dangerous.
Last one, what do you want to see in this case as Machine March?
We want the guy to come and stand trial. We want him to protest, to stop pretending like he's mentally unfit. We want him to do the right thing for this family and give them the justice that they deserve. But I know we could be asking for too much from people who've made it their lives to become victims. Because we know foreigners in the country, the minute they set foot here, they become victims and they want free things, free this, free that. You know, it's impossible that someone who was a pastor just yesterday suddenly now has lost his mind when he's killed, almost killed someone. So it's that we demand justice, and we demand the government of South Africa to actually raise these cases with the people of that country. You know, right now the diplomatic relations should be speaking about all these cases that are happening in South Africa because of foreign nationals and showing them exactly how much we go through. And this is not about xenophobia, it's about us feeling safe in our own country, which at the moment we don't. Thank you. Zulu. Zulu. One is Zulu.
Yes. And keep your eye on them. Thank you. Let's go, Tips.
Ngoba ehlelile nje keep my eye on her.
Ngiyakhe soba right mina. Siyabona. Yabza kusumoyo. Okay, let's go. Namhlanje belikade bemela zovele ocishe walimaza umuntu wesifazane. Kanitholile ngokungaveli kwakhe nithole into.
Akacishanga umlimazile nje kakhulu like ukwazi umuntu 40 something times kahle kahle inhloso bekuwumkapha nje ephila njengembuzi. And njengokuthi sibe lana sizoseka kakhulu umndeni waMbhele ngoba nabo batshengisile ukuthi bayalimela iqiniso kulolu daba esikhuluma ngalo ngenxa yokufika abantu bangaphandle la. And okube buhlungu kakhulu ukuthola ukuthi ngenxa yakhe isenzo sabo ukusupporta ingakho udadewabo eyithole sekulesimo futhi kulomuntu lo abemazi abemthemba futhi at one point in time. So thina nje sizoma na umndeni waMbhele, sizoma nabo bonke futhi abase South Africa abake bayehlakalele lesenzo nabanye abangayitshela ukuthi lento ingenzeka kubona kodwa ingenzeka ngoba phela umuntu wangaphandle ofundisiwe ukuthi abe isosha capable of anything lo muntu angenza noma yini. Njengamanje ubezenza umfundisi ekuyinye izinto esikhala ngazo ukuthi la kunamasonto avela aqhamuke nje wonke umuntu ovela aqhamuke ezweni lakho uqhamisa umfundisi oyingqayizivele oshiye inkinga lasezweni lakho abona ukuthi thina kakhulu la eSouth Africa esidinga ukuthi sizwe iBhayibheli esingazi ukuthi yini eyenze lokho ngoba nathi sinababethu abafundisi uNkulunkulu wami ngiyazi ukuthi uJesu ukhona yonke indawo akadingi ukuthi kufike umfundi osaze eBurundi ezosishumayeza la nabo abantu bakithi hayi beyithembe nje beyokuhlala befuna ama miracles from abantu esingabazi ukuthi bazobasiza ngani ngoba ama results akhona ibona labantu abanje belokhu befika la bebe osomathuba
Ungaveli kwakhe ikuphi mhlawumbe nizokwenza.
Hayi thina sizoqhubeka nje sikulwela ukuthi avele enkantolo ngoba asikholwa neze ukuthi umuntu ade ephila saka ehambe eshubayeza abantu ngeBhayibheli mayise eselimaza umuntu ngalendlela useyahlanya akahlanyiswa phela ukuthi ulokhu uzunyazo womuntu ukusho ukuthi uhlanyiswa isenzo sakhe sokuthi ubalekele ukuthi abhekane nengalo yomthetho kanti asikwazi futhi ukuthi sibe nayo lento ngoba njengamanje bazothatha bayomhlalisa kwa-Fort Napier laphayana mase ehlele e-Fort Napier kuhamba isikhathi uzobe sekulindele ukuthi sikhohlwa ngithi ukuthi wenze lento abuye emphakathini aqhubeke nempilo kodwa umuntu okuyena mlimazile impilo yakhe ayisoze yafana never again nomndeni wakhe njengoba elimela nje ingane zakhe ade ikhala mini inyembezi ayikho right into enziwa i-justice system yethu. Njalo nje iy'gebengu ziyazi ukuthi zona zizosebenzisa umthetho ukuze zithole izinto engafanele ngabe ziyazithola. Lowa muntu othi uyahlanya njengamanje akeze la enkantolo simbone nathi ukuthi uyahlanya.